So guys, let's go into our cash out. Today I'll be using the money making app Ethereum Blast. So the thing that I want to say about this money making app, they basically pay out in PayPal money, Ethereum, and Satoshis. Today I will be taking out my earnings in stats. So yes guys, normally with these money making app, the Bling financial money making app, it take a while before you're able to actually go ahead and basically open the account. I'm gonna check my piggy bank and let's see if I'm able to cash out some earnings. Okay, so I have 8 hours and 28 minutes until I'm able to unlock this. I do want to unlock this. I thought I could, I do want to unlock this before I could cash out, so I could cash out everything together. But the 8,000 and the 21,000, I want to do it together. So I won't be doing the cash out today. I will be doing the cash out. I will just do a small video for you guys, just showing you through the cash out. So yeah. So basically, guys, this is the video that I have for you today. I want to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have been doing well. If there's any question, you can comment down below. And also, if you need any help, you can comment down below also. Guys, stay tuned for more videos where I basically share with you guys daily how I've been doing when it comes to this earn online with free money making app. It's really been a nice journey. I really like earning with money making apps. I really like growing accounts. I don't know, sometimes when I listen to money managers, like how some people they some people they trade for platforms platforms. So yeah, and they will say, okay, I got like a um I have like a 200,000 um account, and I'm trading for this platform. And you'll hear someone say, oh, I got a half a million and I'm trading for this. All right. And for people that are managing bigger money, like uh I would say Cathy Woods or some other individual that are handling bigger money daily, like people have just given them their money and said, just do what you do and grow it. I see myself doing the same thing, but I'm actually doing that in a small amount. The thing with me is that I am very good at growing from not if the account is at zero, I could grow it. I could grow it so fast you wouldn't imagine. But once the account starts to get like okay, from $0 to $100, and I know that might sound like $100, but I can really grow a a account from 0 to 100 without any risk, no risk. If I was taking risk, that's the thing, I don't like taking risk. I just like I just think of taking risk is like, yeah, I don't know what you say taking risk, because I do take risks. Like just doing that is a risk. But what I'm saying is like I don't like to predict. Yes, I don't like to predict. I like to know something, and based on what I know, I like to just match everything up. So it could be easily penciled out, or it could be easily maths out, right? And I know, okay, da 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 da. But for me, it's a, I don't know, maybe this could happen or maybe that could happen. You never know, da da da. I don't like doing that. But once I have the information, I could easily pencil something and I could easily grow a account. I can't say like a week or a month, but I've grown plenty account fast, 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 faster than sometimes I'll even imagine I'll grow a platform for just using free money making app. As I said before, zero. No, just like give me an account, just open an account, give it to me, and I could grow it to $100 in so fast, right? I wouldn't give a time like I'm this person, because not all the time I basically um achieve the same amount of time. Some do take time, but from nothing, I think I do a really good job at just that. Um, I just think that I wouldn't be good at the higher quantity, but from a smaller account, yeah, yeah. Just think about planting a seed. You know, sometimes when you're planting a seed, you have to make sure it depends on where you're planting the seed. If you're planting the seed outside in outside, like nothing, you're just digging a hole outside and you're planting a seed. It's different from if you're planting a seed in a bucket with holes, and then it's different if you're planting a seed in a bucket without holes, because you know that the water will drain. But what if the bucket doesn't have any holes? So you know that the water is going to settle. So it's like planting a seed. I am a good planter of planting when it like I'm using the equivalent to just growing a account from nothing to something manageable, where you can say, you know what, I got a little bit of, something, right? So yeah, I'm good at that, because depending on the seed that you're planting, you can't plant it too deep, and depending on, you can't plant it in a too much damp soil or stuff like that. And I like gardening too. I do gardening. I like when it's summer times and I do gardening. So I'm straying away from basically just basically sharing it to you guys. But yeah, I really want to do the cash out for you guys, but I need to get the 8 hours so I could cash out everything together. Because the reason why is that if I cash out now, right, I will only cash out 18 stats, right? Because that's how they can calculate it. They calculate it by 1,000. So um if you have 1,000, but they start at 15, so you only can cash out 15 stats or more. So I'm just 3 stats over the cash out limit. So here I could cash out now, I'll get 18 stats. If I wait just 8 hours, I will be getting more, and I don't have to wait another week before I could see these earnings in my account. So for me personally, I'll just wait another 8 hours. By me editing this video to post it for you guys, I will go ahead and cash out. As I said before, I may just do it in the background, or maybe I'll just say, you know what, let me do a small short video just for you guys. So guys, really, really just think about what you're doing. I think that just whatever you do in life, do it and just do it well. Do it and just do it well. Do it like no one else can. Like if you really like that thing that you're doing, do it and just do it with all that you can. Be the best of doing it, right? So yeah. So just want to keep all into consideration, guys. If you're, as I said before, if you're interested in earning with money making apps, links in the description. Any questions, just want to leave a comment, you can leave the comment down below. um so yes guys, so before I go, just want to say, always remember guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.